18. 园林轮回图 Contents 1. What is Tao? 2. The difference between Tao and religions. 3. The relationship between Tao and man. 4. The purpose of acquiring Tao. 5. The 4 requisites of Tao cultivation. 6. The advantage of practicing Tao. 7. What is the third white stage disaster? 8. The systematic spreading of real Tao. 9. The secret spreading of precious Tao. 10. The steps after Tao acceptance. 11. Meritorious presentation in the cultivation. 12. The comparison between the sage and the ordinary. 13. Virtuous practice and wisdom cultivation. 14. Rules and regulations in Tao cultivation. 15. Bitterness creates Buddhahood. 16. Person